Today, as we walk these Lenten days, there are many debates over Gandhi's legacy. Some tie him to today's politics. Others lift up Subhash Chandra Bose's fierce fight. I honor Bose's bravery, but in Gandhi, I see a different revolution, one that succeeded because he wielded a Christian weapon, forgiveness. He took the very weapon of love and mercy, the same Christian weapon that British Christians used in their own struggle against injustice, and he applied it to India. This is why his movement succeeded, where Bose's reliance on force could not. Think of Chowri Chowra, 1922. A peaceful protest spiraled into violence when a police station was set on fire and 20 policemen were killed. The nation trembled on the edge of collapse, demanding that Gandhi escalate the struggle or lose control. But Gandhi did the opposite. He took responsibility. He fasted and penance, stopping the entire movement, saying that no freedom could be built on a foundation of blood. Critics called it a betrayal. Gandhi called it a higher truth. He refused to let the movement become what it was fighting against. This same pulse beats in today's gospel. In Matthew 18, Peter asks, "How many times must I forgive?" And Jesus says, not 7 times, but 77 times. He tells of a servant forgiven a massive debt, yet he won't forgive a small one. Gandhi lived this parable. He took Jesus' command 77 times, and he paused a nation. He succeeded because he refused to let violence define him. He followed Christ's path, forgiving again and again. We see the same power in Martin Luther King Jr., who took Jesus' call to love enemies and Gandhi's nonviolence into America's streets. Batons fell, but they didn't strike back. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, King said. Only light can do that. They triumphed not by force, but by refusing to let hatred become their guide. This Lent, the gospel asks us to do the same. Forgive as God forgives. Like Gandhi, like King, like Jesus, we break cycles of violence with mercy. That is how God wins.